It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're working in the greenhouse, and I just wanted to make a quick video. It was my birthday yesterday, and my girls got me a straw hat. They got it from Sale, which is an outdoor sports store in Ottawa, but it is made by this company named Sunday. And it says it's UPF 50, so I assume a certain amount of sun makes it through a straw hat. But it has this claim on it that it's a lifetime guarantee. And I really do like companies that stand behind their product. And I just wondered, has anyone heard of the company, and has anyone got a warranty on their hat because if it breaks or whatever? You know what? The hat seems really well built. It's got, it's when you have a soft straw hat. Some straw hats you get, man, it feels like it's about ready to break if you move it too much. This is a really, really soft straw hat, so I think it will last. And it's kind of nice when you have companies that stand behind their workmanship. And man, oh man, it is a nice hat. So I just wondered if you guys ever got warranty on a hat like this from the company Sunday, or what's your experiences with it. So I just wanted to put it out there. So you guys have a good one.